Hi everyone, this is Caking at Midnight. Tonight we'll be working on a rosette cake, so I'll show you how to pipe some rosettes with buttercream, and let's roll that intro. If you do like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, like we did this evening, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell because then you'll get notifications on when we upload more videos. All right, so tonight we are going to be working on some rosettes, and I have a crumb-coated cake in front of us. I'm also going to do rosettes in 3 different colors. I have pink, lavender, and an ivory, and a white. Ivory's down there somewhere. But a couple different colors, so I'm not going to do an ombre like you see on some of the cakes. This is going to be rosettes all over and then a couple different piping tips in between. So we're going to move around the cake quite fast, but we'll have a couple different colors to move around with as well. So let's get started. If your buttercream gets warm in your hand, you can stick it in the fridge for a little bit to cool down so it'll be a little more stiff. If it gets too warm, you don't get crisp edges and it just starts to melt on you. Keep a paper towel handy because your tips will get coated on the ends and then you can wipe them off and they won't be as messy. You'll get more of a crisp edge on them. With my crumb coated cake here, it is a little sticky. You don't want it to be solid in any means by chilled, so make it a little bit sticky and your roses will stick to the cake a lot better. So. This is the 1M tip and the 2D tip. Now they will both do the same thing. The 2D, I believe is this one. I don't know if you can see that on camera. One is pointed and the one on the other one, the tips are rounded off. They will both give you basically the same look, but you can pipe them a little bit differently. So I'll show them here next to each other. So you can kind of see. Pretty much the same tip. You will go continually around the cake until you have filled in everything. And you can use the 1M tip in quite a few different ways. So you can use it as rosettes, or like you can see here, just a little like leafy star. This one is a Russian tip, if you can see that one. And that will give you this right here, like a rose. we're all finished with our rosette cake with some extra cool flowers in there as well. I did use 2 Russian tips. I will put each tip that I used to make each one of the flowers in the description. So if you have any questions, just look at the description or leave me a comment down below. I will answer any questions that you do have. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is Caking at Midnight, and happy caking.